This video explains the process of setting up Azure IoT Explorer, connecting to Azure IoT Hub using model files, changing the status of RX65N Cloud Kit using Azure, and displaying sensor data in a graphical format. Go to the Azure portal and get the IoT Hub primary connection string. Open Azure IoT Explorer and set the primary connection string. Now you will be able to connect to the Azure IoT Hub from Azure IoT Explorer. Next, set the model files used for IoT Plug and Play. Download the model files from the IoT Plug and Play Quick Start webpage. Create a folder named Models in any location to store the downloaded files. Load the model files in Azure IoT Explorer. Display the device ID information from the IoT Hub information. After running the sample program, you can see the sensor data uploaded from the RX65N Cloud Kit on the Telemetry tab. You can change the status of the RX65N Cloud Kit by entering a message in Device Twin. When you run the sample program, you will be able to see how the LEDs on the RX65N Cloud Kit are turned on and off from the cloud. Next, display the sensor data uploaded to Azure in graphical format. Go to the Azure portal and create a new consumer group. Make a note of the created consumer group name to a text editor for later use. Get the IoT Hub service primary connection string from the shared access policy. Start the command prompt and download the sample code of the web application to display the graph. After the download is completed, move the folder and set the IoT Hub connection information. Input the npm command to start the website. Open the browser and go to http://localhost:3000 to see the sensor data in a graphical format. The sample program allows you to change the value of the sensor data to be uploaded. By changing the uploaded sensor data, you can see the changes in the graph. Open Azure IoT Explorer and input the temperature data, value of thermostat 1. Azure IoT Explorer then sends the input value to the RX65N Cloud Kit. You can see in the graph that the changed sensor data has been uploaded. This completes the explanation of the flow from connecting to Azure IoT Hub using Azure IoT Explorer to displaying the sensor data in a graph.